This is the splash guard, so when the water runs off and it's a large amount, it splashes against here and goes down into the gutter, because the gutter is about, I'm going to say 8 inches. No, it's probably about 12 inches from the top of the roof down to the gutter, because I've got such a huge angle on it. So that's what this is for. That way it won't overshoot the gutter. And this has worked for almost 100 years. Well, anyway, it's not going to work now. But anyway, the water that runs off from the gutter from overfilling is going to hit this secondary gutter, which is the one down here on the bottom. And then, of course, it's going to run out and run down my driveway. Anyway, the fence guys are blowing and going today.